Oh,
Oh, no.
Oh shit! Okay.
That's who it was.
That's so good.
That's scary.
Very good.
Oh.
Oh.
Back up with the reference.
Oh.
Terrible.
Oh my god!
Uh,
A gag?
Why?
Oh, no.
Oh my
It's a
God.
terrible mask.
Oh, I thought he was a mouse.
Yeah.
What?
I couldn't spell
Oh,
it.
because of the whiskers. You didn't think it was a ball
God.
gag.
Oh my god.
That's funny.
I couldn't think of anything. So I
Okay,
just went
yeah.
with that.
a true statement.
Yes. Oh! It's all coming.
Oh my god.
That's who it was.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I like how it was colorized. It was colorized. Oh my god.
That looks just like that's what Cynthia looks like every time she kills me.
Oh, okay, yes.
Okay.
Oh, strong,
Okay.
strong image.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
So good.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Currently listening to my Unsense
Oh,
playlist
Unsense
as we
music.
speak.
This is perfect. This is what I wanted to see.
Yeah, it's very
I thought
strong.
it was a play on
image.
words when I saw.
Yeah.
Like play on Panic at the Disco.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
Oh, very good
Oh.
expressions.
Very nice. Very nice.
Wow. Yes.
You're a Pac-Man.
Exactly.
Look at those legs.
All you have to add is unsense and everyone knows what you're talking about.
The music notes aren't
Yes.
enough.
Good for
Oh,
him.
yes.
Good for him.
Good for him.
Oh.
Oh.
Very good attempt.
Oh, you know what?
Anger.
You know what? It's not far off.
This is a good drawing.
I love veggie soup, but I hate this.
I
damn.
know what this is.
I don't know, man.
I was gonna draw a little witch watching him cook, but I couldn't. Throw me.
Oh,
Oh my god.
holy shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love it. I spent so long just drawing squares.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
I
this is
tried.
the one where it definitely did not land the
Oh.
concept I was doing.
Oh no.
Oh,
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
This is very funny. I
I
like
was
this.
trying to make it be like Ryan.
That was
Oh,
so
Oh, yours is
Becca.
good, Becca.
Oh
Oh
my god,
my
Becca.
God.
Yours is so good.
That's
Oh, mine's
Picasso.
not.
What the hell? Becca,
Dude, we got it.
Nicole. Oh my
I
god.
love it.
I
love
literally
it.
So
Let's
good.
go.
I put it in the chat, the exact picture. I like panicked and was like,
Oh my
it's
god.
This avant-garde.
That's amazing.
I love it, Becca.
Hi, Karen. Oh, Caroline's muted.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait, I think I know what this is.
I've seen this one.
It's always the rainbow flag.
Nice. Nice.
Okay,
Still
okay.
new
We knew.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Yes.
the other way we
I know what this is.
I took it in
Never
a
mind.
different
Okay.
Oh no.
What the fuck?
S'mores Pop Tarts are so good though.
Oh no.
Oh no.
God.
Oh no.
Okay.
Okay.
Recovered. That was recovered.
Oh, the
I didn't
camera
know
was
what to
bad.
do.
Thank you, Eli.
Thank you for recovering that, Eli.
My life
For a
flashed
second,
before my eyes.
As the three were being drawn lined up.
Oh,
on
I was
the
so
I
board.
got
scared.
so afraid.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
This is a vibe.
Oh, that's
Nice.
amazing.
Nice.
Uh,
That is good.
yeah. Okay. Yep.
Oh no.
This is really don't please. This is so.
Hard to believe.
Please don't even.
I couldn't see.
I was trying to do. I was trying to do like the like classic like terrible anime girl fan service, so it's like up the skirt or whatever, but I couldn't get the angle right, and then I ran out of room, and then I just couldn't even do the ladder. It's just so bad.
I was pretty happy with that.
Oh, wow. The tables really turned by the end.
Yeah,
I don't like, he's so threatening when he looks at me like straight on.
I don't like it.
His outfit.
Oh, yeah.
This one was so nice.
This one was really nice.
I had a really good
Oh,
time
it's so
drawing
good.
this
It's so
one.
good, Becca.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
That's right, that's right. It's good vibes. Yeah.
yeah.
Amazing.
Let's
Wow.
go.
This is so nice.
What a nice
How-
calming
how
face this
wholesome.
was.
I know.
And
I
now
like
we go
I
back
like
to
it.
chaos.
Oh my god, I
hate
my God.
this one of mine is really fucking scary. The eyes
I
in
love
it are
it.
so scary.
Good. Very good. Oh,
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wow.
We put some fucking.
I cannot draw this. I cannot draw this shit.
I mean, it gets the point across.
Okay, okay.
Get down.
How was I supposed to draw?
no, it worked. It worked.
Oh, I didn't.
It worked for me.
Oh my god, thank you, Lynn.
I got
oh
you.
My god.
It's supposed to be
Oh, this is okay. Yeah, this is where
Oh.
Oh. Oh, now I see
Oh my
what's
god.
Oh no. Okay. I
Oh
see.
no.
I
This
see.
liver?
Really good liver.
Is that what liver looks like? I don't even know.
Yeah.
I don't know, sort of. Yeah. Curry.
Like it's the purple color, and curry is purple.
This tech rehearsal's not going well.
Ran
Oh,
out
God,
here.
geez.
All of these I ran out of time, except for my last
Oh,
drawing.
nice.
Very good.
Someone play
Yeah.
Kingdom Hearts.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. That was a Kingdom Hearts reference.
Wow.
My God.
Someone.
Oh, shit. I want this one.
oh my god, this is what it was.
Oh my god.
It was
Oh,
beautiful.
amazing.
Oh, that's a great way of doing it.
Oh. Becca, I really like this drawing.
Oh
I had to Google what Kool-Aid looks like.
Ooh,
my god. That's,
that's amazing.
I like that one.
kind of balled it so bad. I dropped it real bad.
Cute.
That's cute.
So I misread the prompt.
Yes.
Or mine.
Perfect.
I misread the prompt. I thought it said falling off a cliff.
Anna Eunice like, oh, ah! Thank you, Nicole.
Holy
You my
shit!
dad very lovingly.
That is good.
That's a good call.
Oh, yes.
Oh, interesting.
Oh god.
Oh.
I'm sorry for butchering this at the end.
Oh.
Cow pals? What the fuck?
Well, that's okay.
Same drawing.
Kieran got it back.
Very cute.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's so unhappy.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
I just, that was very good.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, no.
I understood the direction we were going.
Oh no.
Okay, opposite.
Yeah, you know.
This is it, Lim.
IDK, man.
Jong,
Oh, okay, Becky, yes. I see what you mean.
Things above achieve. There's so many words. Life.
It's so good.
I just
Oh.
really
I
think
love
I
Shrek is here.
contemplate
What I-
Shrek.
When I realized I inserted it in the wrong place when I backspaced, it was out of time, so I could have fixed it. Nice, we did really good there. Oh,
Amazing.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, Sonic.
Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh shit!
Actually,
I got whiplash.
Oh
Holy
wait,
shit!
that was peak comedy. Wait a minute.
A different story.
Wow, that was beautiful.
I can't.
Loss.
my god.
God, wow.
Woo.